Alright, today I'm here with the unboxing of the Soliel de Hermes, apologies for butchering that French, bowls. This is the medium size, and as you can see, we have 4 of them. So let's get to it. Okay, so here is the bowl. As with all, or most I should say, Hermes dishware, it comes in porcelain. So white porcelain with gold or yellow patterns. There's a few different patterns that you can choose from. And the intent of this collection, as you can tell from the name, is to represent summer, with the yellow being the sun or Soliel. So this is the medium-sized bowl. There's a smaller bowl, which might be better for like maybe sauce or dipping. Can't do too much with it. There's a much larger bowl, more like a soup bowl. Then there's a salad bowl as well. So this is kind of a good in-between size. As you can see, it's about the size of the palm of my hand. Roughly, I would say about 4 inches, maybe 3.5 inches in diameter. If I go to the bottom, you can see the collection name, Soliel de Hermes here. And then, as I say in all my videos with their porcelain, each artist that is making them has their own stamp. This one is the clothes hanger, so you can tell exactly who made it. So let me put this one back. And I forget which patterns we got, so they may all be the same or they may be different, we'll see. This one looks the same. And looks like a turtle here as well, so that means that somebody else made this particular bowl, but same pattern. It's a nice little care guide in here as well. Let's see, this one is again the same, but with a hanger. So these two are made by the same artisan. And finally, this one is also the same. I guess we decided to be consistent. This one looks like maybe a pitchfork. I'm not quite sure what that is. Maybe a pitchfork or a broom, something like that. But regardless, not a turtle, not a clothes hanger, so definitely a third artist was here as well. As I mentioned in the plates video, we decided to get this collection because it does seem to hold up a little bit better in the dishwasher. Obviously, you still need to be very careful, light cycle, not too abrasive detergents, etc. But we're looking forward to using this once the rest of our collection comes in. As of June 2024 in the US, these bowls are only available in store. You will be able to find this on the Hermes.com website, but you can only purchase them in store. And each bowl retails for $285 each. So those are the medium Soliel de Hermes bowls. As always, thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.